Oh, it's been a while since I recorded. So I'm just heading out on a spin there today, just around Wicklow, up to the hills, and do a bit of chilling out on my own, away from everyone. Oh, give him a big nod. Those hills, I'm going over those hills somewhere. On the far side of those hills we'll find somewhere nice to chill out. What do you think? Got the leg out. I think I went all the way to France and looked at something very similar. I'm like 20 minutes from my house right now, so. But it's different, obviously. Blessed though that this is on the doorstep, I suppose. Tuesday after work, hopping on the bike and going up to the hills. Filming in progress. How did they know? Oh, there's a lad there now. Oh, I'm gonna go up there and have a chat with him now. Alright, I stopped. I was chatting to that lad on the Versus. Lovely chap, actually. There's the hills. I'll show you what I have here. Water, food, Rolos, hammock. Hey. How you getting on? Have my stuff here, bag and helmet. Let's walk in. Oh, look at that perfect little trail. Creepy. Found the place that I usually go to between these trees. So I cook on that stump in the woods. I'm using the new camera now that I bought on adverts. I'm gonna set up the hammock between some trees here and make a cup of tea and just chill out for a while, then go back to the bike and drive home, and then go to work tomorrow. But yeah, it's just so nice out here. What do you think? Oh yeah. Perfect. Right, let's get a brew on. Oh, he's so hot. Look at that. Just a bit of water for this one. That's all. Nice. Now, let's eat this and drink this. Have a nice little time. McDonald's in France. Let's eat it and drink tea. It's like a melted brownie. Cheers to the outdoors and the hammock. Birds singing. Cows. Lovely sky, look. And I had a cup of tea. That's everything. Cleaned up. Helmet. All my stuff, cameras in there. Jackets on the tree. Leave it as you found it. And the sun's going down pretty soon, so let's get back to the bike and go home. I sure hope the bike is still there. Now, let's go home. There's where I was in there. So. The joys of driving a bike. Yep, that is chaos. Quick stop off at the sea. To see the sea. Mountains and sea. That is a vessel ship. That is a container ship going from Rotterdam to Dublin. Any more pictures? All the way out there. Nice. Home.